Yow, man! Welcome to the Frickcast and to the Grizzly Naturals soap guides. Today, we're falling in love with the Cupid's Arrow. This is a Valentine's Day limited offered by Grizzly Naturals. As Grizzly continues to expand and round out its limited edition and holiday lineup, we are treated to a romantic brick with a lather as thick as Cupid. But first, let's take a gander at the ingredients. Let's start with red wine. A Valentine's Day staple, red wine has a number of skin-related benefits, including being full of antioxidants and containing anti-aging qualities. It boosts collagen production, clears pores, tones, and fights acne. There is of course the lineup of essential oils. Today's blend is lavender, patchouli, ylang-ylang, cinnamon leaf, ginger, and cassia. These together are going to help form the scent, but they can also provide some additional anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, astringent, healing, and calming properties, helping to lead to healthier looking skin. It should also be noted that ylang-ylang is an aphrodisiac, so it's right at home in this seductive brick. And last, we have extra fine pumice. This is going to provide our grit today, in this case a light amount of grit. It's going to help clear away dead skin and impurities and allow the rest of the bar to clean deeper. Overall, this brick looks to leave your skin clear and vibrant, perfect to get you ready for a hot date in the shower. Moving on to the scent, we are met with an intoxicating smell. It's one of those scents that's a bit complicated to describe. It's kind of floral, but not really. It kinda has a cherry candy smell, but again, not really. Actually, it's mostly a sweet spice smell. You can really make out the cinnamon and ginger, as well as some of the ylang-ylang. There is a slight touch of musk and freshness as well to round out the scent a bit more and make it more manly. It's also a pretty strong scent. It's not the most potent bar out there, but one thing I've noticed with Grizzly bars is that they have some staying power. They tend to linger longer than most. As for using the bar, it really has two notable aspects, a lighter grit and a thick-ass lather. Let's look at the grit first. The pumice here is as advertised. It is extra fine and adds a nice lighter amount of exfoliation. I think it's a pretty ideal amount personally. It also pairs nicely with the thicker lather, which is always a plus. I don't know that I would say this bar is the deepest cleaning or most moisturizing that I've used, but it certainly holds its own and does enough to make it stand out and feel unique. So overall, I was pretty pleased with the Cupid's Arrow. I enjoy a good Valentine's Day brick, and I think this was another winner. It's not quite one of my favorites from them, but Grizzly's got some good things cooking, and I'm looking forward to whatever they make next, whether it's St. Patrick's or 4th of July. That's only my opinion though, and I'd love to hear yours in the comments. Have you tried the Cupid's Arrow yet? Did you fall in love with it, or did the arrow miss its mark? As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty.
Yeah, man!